Appreciating Allah's creation, a journey of gratitude. Please subscribe my channel.
Who has made us?
Allah has made us.
Who has made our father and mother?
Allah has made our father and mother.
Who has made our brothers and sisters?
Allah has made our brothers and sisters.
Who has made this world?
Allah has made this world. Allah has made the sky, the sun, the moon, and the stars. Allah has made the rivers, the land, the flowers, and the fruits. Allah has made the animals, the birds, the insects, and the fishes. Allah has made the day and the night.
Has Allah made the food that we eat?
Yes, Allah has made the food that we eat. Allah has made the fruits and vegetables. Allah has made the water and the milk that we drink.
Does Allah need our help in making things?
No, Allah does not need our help. No, Allah does not need our help. Allah can do everything alone. Remember, Allah has created everything around us, and we should be grateful for His blessings by saying Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. Appreciating Allah's creation, a journey of gratitude. Please subscribe my channel.